Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to cook the most delicious Rivers native soup. I'm using fish. You can use any seafood of your choice for this recipe. Crabs, periwinkles, snails, shrimps, sea snails, uziza seeds, uziza leaves, peppers, crayfish. In a blender, I'll add the peppers, uziza seeds, and water. Uziza seeds are spicy. You can reduce the amount of pepper you are using. And it's optional. If you're using the leaves, you don't have to use the seeds as well. I'll blend into a smooth paste. I'll marinate the fish with some of the blended pepper and uziza seeds, season cube, salt. I'll stir to combine them together. Marinating the fish before using it takes it to another level of deliciousness. I'll cover and leave it to marinate for 30 minutes. In a dry blender, I'll add the crayfish. I'll cover and blend. The crayfish is ready. I'll remove it from the blender and set that aside. Next, I'll add enough water to cook the soup inside the pot. Add blended pepper and uziza seeds, season cubes, salt, blended crayfish. Snails are tougher than the rest of the seafood. I'll add them at this point and stir. I'll cover and bring it to a boil. Ofo is my thickener of choice for this recipe. You can use cocoyam as well. I will add red palm oil. Mix them together. Mixing the ofo with palm oil prevents it from forming lumps inside the soup. You can mix the ofo with water and add the oil later in the cooking. The soup base has come to a boil. I will add the mix of ofo with palm oil and stir. I'll leave it to cook for 5 minutes for the ofo to dissolve while the pot is open. After 5 minutes, I'll check, and at this point the ofo is nicely dissolved, and this is the perfect consistency for me. If you like your soup to be very thick, you can add more thickener, and the soup does thicken up when it cools down. I will add the crabs, fish, sea snails, season cube, a bit of salt, grounded crayfish. I will stir the soup very well. The fish are not yet cooked, they are not going to break. Add shrimps and stir. Cover and leave it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, add periwinkles. Give it a gentle stir. And at this point, you want to be careful so you don't break the fish. Don't worry if the soup is light. The soup will always thicken up when it cools down. Add uziza leaves and stir. You can taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. At this point, my kitchen smells divine. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is going on here in my kitchen. I leave the soup to cook for 2 to 5 minutes and the soup is ready. I'll remove it from the stove. To enjoy this soup, I'll be making cassava fufu. In the boiling water, I'll add cassava flour. And I'll stir it with a spatula until it becomes smooth, and I am cooking it on a medium to low heat. If the fufu is hard, you can add hot water. Once it's nice and smooth, it's ready. I'll remove the spatula. Remove the cassava fufu from the pot. I'll wrap it with a BPA-free plastic food wrap so it won't dry out. You can also serve the fufu without wrapping it as well. And the cassava fufu is ready. And I'll serve and enjoy. This soup was very, very delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. And if you do, let me know how yours came out. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video.